everybody, welcome to a Pypes Exhaust install. This is a video showing the installation of our SJJ15S Catback system for a 97 to 06 Jeep. This one is relatively simple, so let's get started. After removal of the stock system, place the MJJ01-2 adapter onto the rear of the catalytic converter. Install the muffler. The muffler inlet should be centered and the exit should be offset closest to the drive shaft. You will need to reuse the factory exhaust rubber isolators with our TJJ15 tailpipe. Feed the tailpipe over the rear end. Insert the tailpipe into the muffler. Mount the tailpipe hanger to the factory rubber isolator. Suspend the rest of the tailpipe by placing the factory rubber isolator onto the factory hanger. Adjust the alignment and tighten up all clamps. Start the Jeep and check for leaks. It's a good idea to do a bolt check after a week of driving to ensure everything is tight. Okay, that's going to wrap up our SJJ15S install. Enjoy your new exhaust, and if you have any feedback, drop a comment below.